Hey you guys, welcome on this reading. This is Shreya Khanna's YouTube, and how are you today? All right, so guys, this is 25th of November in the morning, and the sun is directly shining on me. And today, the message is that you're attracting a lot of wealth. You're attracting a lot of wealth, and I see you coming from a place where you have possibly, done all the waiting, done all the efforts, and somewhere you were thinking, why the money is not coming to me? Why am I not attracting money? So I'm making this reading again, and the Queen of Wands came in this reading again. So probably this has some kind of, I'm just shuffling these messages, and there is Queen of Wands and coming again and again and again, right? So I just feel that your see, the sun is exactly on me, and I see that a lot of your confidence, lot of your solar plexus is coming to, confidence, a lot of confidence, a lot of intuition, a lot of, fire energy. This is, by the way, fire energy, and that is your Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. And I just see number 3 again. All right, so you might be receiving the codes, the angel numbers with 123, 144, 147 in the terms of 3. It's not like 1111, it becomes 4, right? So it is coming to you in the terms of 3. Whenever you look at the time, whenever you look at the synchronicities, it's coming as in, in threes, right? So I also am receiving that there could be, there could be a relationship that you may be dealing, and there could be a third party in that also. But see, yes, there is a third party, and that is coming to me as a marriage, as a marriage. If you're in a marriage, you or your person is dealing with another person, or your person is married, or you are married. There is something like that, and this is very on point message with God. I don't know if someone needs to hear or read Psalms 243. Okay, I don't know. 234, sorry, 234. That's the Christ message. Okay, all right, so you want to be doing something with the positivity. Whatever you do, do it with love, do it with the heart, do it with awesomeness, do it with positivity, okay? And 3 on it again, okay? A lot of confidence, a lot of creativity. Let's see what your messages are. That is 7 of Cups. You are very confident, you're creative, you're confident, and there is still some kind of confusion going on in your life. By the way, I am a intuitive reader, okay? Whatever comes to my intuition, and I just have this this energy flowing where I do tarot card readings with my intuition, okay? So if you want to book with me, definitely go ahead and book it with me on WhatsApp. Please do not comment me for booking, because I never comment you back. Whatever you message, whatever you comment, I never reply to that comment, okay? So beware of the fraudsters. And let's moving on. This is 5 of Pentacles, which says that there is kind of a financial loss or explosion. Let me see what it is about. And there is 4 of Cups. There is 6 of Cups. There is a 6 of Cups, right? So what I'm receiving about you is that you're taking a U-turn. You're taking a U-turn from where you were not happy with your money, okay? There is the King of Cups coming to you. This is the Hanged Man energy, and I see that 9 of Pentacles is for you, right? So yeah, so you started off very confidently, where you wanted to explore the world, as I can see with these cards, okay? You wanted to explore the world, and you received, what you received is this person who was very cold to you. You met someone who was very cold to you. So at the very starting, you received this person who was very cold to you, and let me tell you this, you have this confusion with this person, whether this person was good or bad. Okay, but then the spirit is telling me that you received this person in a very cold behavior. They met you with a very cold behavior, and this is the king of coins that you're confusing them with. Okay, there are kind of, you know, when I told you the number 3 is coming up very strong for you, this is also 3 kings are there in this reading. Okay, 3 kings means that you are possibly, you know, attracting a lot of love in your life, a lot of, you know, partners, those people who want to partner up with you, because I see you where you're going, you're confident, you're creative, you're moving yourself with, you know, surrounding yourself with a positive divine feminine energy. And I don't know why I said divine feminine in this one, because I just feel that you are going through some kind of awakening, and this awakening is gonna be, you know, very very sudden, because what I'm getting for you is there is someone who's gonna be coming to your life. This person is gonna be a person who is sort of a stable person. This person is a stable person. Someone is trying to come to you, and this could be someone who you already know with this 6 of cups. Okay, someone you already know is coming to you, and they're trying to, you know, talk to you, they're trying to come to you, and this person, do not underestimate this person. This person can actually be your soulmate. This person can actually be a husband material to you or a wife material to you, seeing that you are already a, you know, marriage material person. Okay, but then you have realized a lot of things about you, that, you know, because you are such a great person. I see you that you're very empath. You could be an empath person also. Empath means that, um excuse me, empath means that you give more than what is, you know, what is required. Sometimes you don't, you do it for the love, you do it for completely for giving, right? You're a giver, you are an empath, and you can feel what the other person is feeling. But sometimes not being too emotional for someone is a good thing. Okay, so I just feel that you have started to put your boundaries on, and this is where this reading is going actually. So I'm just gonna do it. Okay, there's this temperance card. So I see that someone wants to talk to you, someone wants to, like, this person is coming again and again that you met. Okay, because now you're moving towards your financial abundance, which is 9 of Pentacles. Okay, you because you're creating it, you're creating your financial abundance, and that's where I see you. Okay, you could be, you know, dreaming of a car, a house, or there, you know, I just see this as a key. Okay, this could be a car, this could be a, you know, bike, this could be something that you want, and you are, you know, that's the key to success for you. Okay, so you're making it happen, you're making your success happen. I'm gonna tell you, this King of Cups is gonna be your partner. Someone is gonna be your partner. This is not your ex person, but this is definitely someone who you know. Okay, this is definitely someone who you know. But then this person wants to talk to you. This person wants to come back to you, and just because you're making money, you're attracting a lot of wealth, and you're attracting a lot of people to you also. Okay, I see that a lot. Number 3 again, there is a third party involved with your person, or you, definitely there was a third party, right? But I see this is your person. This could be you in some cases, not for everyone. Only resonates what is actually coming for you. This is a general reading. Take only what resonates and leave what does not. Okay, and then, if see, I tell you, if you want to book a personal reading, it completely takes a different kind of environment when you take a personal reading. Or I'm just trying to, you know, tell you that whenever I do a general reading, it's completely different, and when I do this personal reading, I always feel there is a new vibe, there is a different vibe to a personal reading, definitely. So yeah, it would be completely different. So if you want to book, definitely go for it, because you know, um, I mean, I don't know why you're waiting for something. Only for this message is only for those who are actually trying to take a decision about a personal reading, right? So yeah, right. It's great. Anyway, um, your ex-person also wants to meet you. This person is thinking now that you are their soulmate, and now I just feel that you have a completely different purpose with another person, and you're gonna get married to this person is gonna be elder and wiser and stabler than you are, because this person could have lost their spouse, divorced or not living together anymore, something like that. This person could also have kids, the person who is trying to come, not even trying, but this person is coming to you. This is 1111 message. Yes, you are trying to get married to a person now, and spirit is telling me, for it's been like 2 3 days. Yesterday I was doing a reading, and spirit was telling me that, the ex person, your ex person, who you wanted to be together with, was only there to show you a side of you, who is actually a marriage material, who knows that you are supposed to be with someone, okay? But then I just have this feeling for you. You never knew that you are a marriage material. You never knew that you could also be that amazing person. So I don't know why I have a feeling like that for you. But the other person who met you, right? I just see that this Empress card again when I'm talking to you. Oh my God, this is 1212. You are actually growing. You are this person. You are this again, creativity for you. There are different kind of queens and empresses that I'm getting for you. You are this, motherhood, creativity, resources, creative, confident. I just feel that your sacral chakra, your solar plexus is, I just have this divine feminine word for you again and again and again. There is a reason, there is a strong reason that you're, as you understand that this past person was not for you at all, as now you're making peace with it, that you know what, this person taught you a lot of lessons, and now it's time that you can't live like this forever, right? So this was a very cold person. This person is still stalking you in a good way now, right? Not in a bad way, but this person is feeling right. What this person is feeling right now is that they lost someone like you, okay? And now this person is somewhere, feeling very shy, coming to you, feeling shy to express to you. You know why? Because this person thinks that you're with someone else, or you're thinking of someone else, you're trying to move on, and you are actually, glowing, right? So this person feels like you are glowing, you are growing, right? So this person feels like they have been waiting for you, okay? You have been waiting for them for a long time, but not anymore. They feel like they can come to you and talk to you about the situation, and they can negotiate being with you. This is literally what I'm feeling with this Temperance card. With this person wants to come to you. It's because you are attracting a lot of money, you're attracting the right kind of man or a woman in your life, right? Take how it resonates, okay? And who this card is for, okay? You know what, you got this person, you knew who this person was inside, okay? But then there is something that is coming to the surface, and there was a lot of confusion around this situation only, okay? and then this person and situation gave you a lot of burdens, right? And the burden was keep thinking. Okay, the burden was keep thinking what happened and what did not. So this person never gave you a clarity. This person never gave you a clarity. I feel that you had seen, let me just give you a clarity on what exactly the situation is coming in this reading, and it may resonate with you. Okay, so you thought that the person you met was the king of coins, and that feels like financially stable person, that feels like the person who takes their life's own decisions, the person who has witty mind about the money, about the stability. However, this person was never this person. This person became a very cold hearted person, the king of swords. Okay, this person gave you all the vibe check. Okay, all the negativity and cold, and whatever this cold hearted feeling, okay, to you, to your love, to yeah, to your love. Okay, and then you got this right somewhere that this person could be a king of swords. Okay, but this person could never um, help you where you wanted them to be. You wanted them to be this king of coins, but this was a king of knight of coins. Okay, knight of pentacles person. So I just think that you deserved this king of coins, okay, where a person is stable, but then they were the knight of coins. I just hope that this is clear to you. However, this person became the king of swords also for you. So you started off very well, you started off great, and you gave this person a lot of love, a lot of love, a lot of em- empathy, right? You understood them, you made time for them. I'm feeling all of that, right? And yeah, this person converted you to be the king, the queen of swords. You became cold inside. That was all the confusion that took all your energy away. That was all the things that was coming to you. You thought that this was a lover situation, okay, and you have been waiting for this person, right? You've been waiting for this person, right? Let me see why the lovers card is coming up with this situation. Yeah, you've been waiting for the right person. This is what spirit is telling you. You've been waiting for the right person. This person is out of your this person is out of your area, out of your zone, out of your, you know, this reading is getting yeah. So what I'm trying to give you this now, that you've been waiting for the right person, although you thought that you were waiting for the person who gave you all the cold hearted behavior, which which made you a cold hearted person also. But let me see. Tell me how many people are resonating with this reading in the comment section or something, right? But um you thought that you were waiting for this person. Okay, now where my cards are placed, let me tell you this. You were waiting for your love, and that love is the one which is coming up as the king of cups, where you have a marriage written. Okay, so I don't care how old you are. I don't care what is your current status of marriage is, but you're supposed to be with this king of cups, and that person is coming to you. Okay, that person is coming to you, and someone feels left behind. This is your ex person who feels left behind. Oh my god, they thought that, you know they knew that you were high maintenance. You are high maintenance, lady or boy, or gentleman. They knew, your ex-person knew that you were high maintenance, and you still are. They want to come to you, but they feel in fear. They feel in fear how to come to you and talk to you about this, right? Now they are talking to God. Now they're talking, in a way that, you know what, may something happen with this relationship, may something happen with this. They're talking like that, right? Now let's see where is this reading going, what the spirit wants to tell to my collective. They are in burden right now. All the burden they put you through, they are in burden right now. They want to come to you. Strength card. You have to keep your strength up, guys. Spirit wants to tell you that there is someone who's coming to you. There could be 3 people who are coming to you, but there is someone who you deserve with all the heart. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. If there is a, this is only for someone. If there is a court case, you're gonna win the court case. If there is something that you want to happen in your future, okay, there is, see, I see you that you are still stuck in some kind of negativity, some kind of moving on, getting along with your life, because you're thinking about the past right now. And I see where you're coming from. Somebody actually gave you a very cold heart, and you became this person, you know, you became a cold-hearted person too. But right now, divine is telling you to have faith, okay? This is, yeah, your last person actually wanted, see, these 2 cards. 10 of Wands and 10 of Swords. Someone betrayed you in the past. You have to, you know, 4 of Cups. Divine is telling you that sometimes you have this amazing past feelings that, you know, take you back to the happy times, and sometimes you also have this feeling that take you back to the time where everything got spoiled, right? So your last, nothing feels as bad as a relationship spoiling, right? So this is what happens. You know what, my cards are like, my cards are like so smooth. This person is so in burden, and they are feeling that why did they break your heart, why did they dated someone else, they actually they started dating someone else, they know that they started dating someone else. And guys, this is point blank that I'm trying to give you this, but I feel that you also sometimes are feeling that you need someone in your life, but you do not want to take a step towards another relationship sometimes. And I get the feeling, but you also have a feeling when this person wants to come to your energy, and you're intuitive. I'm just going to tell you that you're intuitive about this thing that they want to come back. This is why sometimes you get these feelings of yourself, yeah, whether you should go back, or whether when they come back you want to be with them also. Yeah, this person wants to talk to you, this person wants to ask you out, this person knows that you are someone who has a high value, right? You can guide them, you can guide them to the best, okay? But they chose a wrong path. The Knight of Wands in the reverse, whatever they chose was not up to the mark. Whatever they chose was not up to the mark. And I hope that this resonates with you. The Page of Swords, they what to say, they want to text you so much, they want to text you like, see, this is coming as the Queen of Cups. And let me tell you this, the money is coming to you, okay? The money is coming to you. Ace of Coins, let me see, money. success. And what is this? Beginnings. Something is coming to you. You are the Queen of Cups. I told you when this reading started. See, I have this amazing feeling for you that you are supposed to be with a new person. You're supposed to be with the King of Cups, and this is the Queen of Cups for you, okay? And there is a happy marriage also. So yes, you are supposed to be with someone, and a new beginning with the money, with the success is coming to you. However, there is a person who is gonna be rich that may come to you, and you have to say no, okay? But because you already would be dating or maybe seeing King of Cups, okay? So there would be apart from this person that your ex is, there are two people who are gonna come to your life. The one who comes earlier will be your person who you're gonna get married with, okay? I have this feeling for you, okay? Yeah, so let me pick up my cards. The two cards just dropped, and I just feel that let's just let those cards be going, and you're gonna do some kind of, charity, okay? Do some kind of charity. But because I see that this person cannot text you, let me show you this. The Page of Swords and the Page of Cups came, okay? Now what this tells me, and the Page of Coins is in reverse, okay? What this tells me about this person, that the person who you met were never your right match, because they did not treat you the way you should have been treated. They never thought of themselves as equally giving to you also, okay? So first of all, they never thought, this King of Swords never thought that they would be an ideal match for you, right? So they never picked your energy up, and they never picked their energy up, right? As long as you are telling yourself that yes, you want to move on, okay, that you can't cry for someone who left you in the cold, definitely, who left you in the cold, right? You're good to go, okay? You're doing great. You can't give in again. You can't give in again. And where I see this, that this person may come to you, even, and very soon this person may come to you before the November is out, maybe today, okay? When you're watching this reading, this person can come to you. And you know what, this person is completely out of your picture. Honestly, this person is completely out of your picture. Now I see that this person will first, this person has already engaged in a lot of gossips about you, okay? This person wants to ask you out, your ex person, they want to ask you out, and they want to ask you out and tell you that it's gonna be a casual thing. It's gonna be a casual thing. Your ex person, the one who left you in the cold, they want to tell you that they want to take you out, and it's gonna be a casual thing. And they would never be able to propose to you. Divine has already taken so much from this person now. This person is just, they are just like, if they don't even have the comforted feeling that they can have you now. They're feeling all anxious about it. But let me tell you this. This person also has this feeling now that if they come to you, how are they gonna express? Will you be the one or not? But now this person is feeling like, you know what, I am the one. I am the one who's gonna tell them, and I'm the one who is gonna take control of my life by you know, asking this collective to be with them, right? So now when they are feeling about you, they're feeling so confident, but they're not confident about themselves, that how are they gonna take forward in their life. So you are very confident. The first card is that you are the Queen of Wands. Okay, you are creative, you're confident. I received the star energy for you, I received the Empress energy for you, and then I received the Queen of Cups energy for you, who is supposed to be with the King of Cups, who is not yet there in your life, and you're supposed to be married to this King of Cups. And the other thing is that a lot of money is coming to you. It has already started. Lot of money is coming to you and it has already started. Okay, I wish you all the very best. I wish you a lot of peace, happiness, money, joy, love. I wish you the wings. I wish you the universe brings you a lot of love, financial stability, the person that actually is supposed to be for you. Okay. I love all of you guys. Okay, if you want to book with me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. You can, you know, give me a like on this video. And Radhe Radhe guys, I will see you next time. Bye bye.